Hi, it's me, Nikki, and I am a homemaker. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. That big red button on the right side down below, it really helps your girl out. So today we just wanted to share some ideas on how we did some spirit sticks for my daughter's cheer team. And this is in no way a how-to whatsoever. We just wanted to share some things that we did. We got those little bitty wooden letters. They're about an inch, and then those cardboard letters are about 2 to 3 inches off of Amazon. And all we used was some Pringles Can, and we used acrylic paint to paint them. So we're doing white. The colors of her school are navy blue and gray. So I am getting out all kinds of things that I had from previous crafts, and I have some bejeweled stuff. I ended up trying to do one Pringle can with it, but it just didn't work out. But I still wanted to show it in case somebody else could get an idea from it and do something with it. So my daughter is planning to put her school name on the can, so she's getting that ready. And I am painting my Pringles can white because I want to do a cancer awareness one, and that's me putting the bejeweled jewels on the Pringle can. But like I said, later on in the video you'll see that we didn't even use it. We ended up going over it with some type of sparkly silver, real pretty ribbon. But I think somebody else can get an idea off of it. I just wasn't liking the way it was going, so my other daughter, Mary, kind of changed it up, and we really liked the way it turned out. So we just used regular hot glue. We kept it on high. It didn't do anything bad or damage the Pringles can whatsoever. And she is using that silver sparkly ribbon, and I wanted you to see the way she bent it on the top so you can get an idea of how she started turning it in case you wanted to do something like that as well. And as you can see, she painted her Pringles can the navy blue color. She cuts it off and just hot glues both of them at the end. And I really like the way this one came out to look. She had some really good ideas. I just came in here blind, like we just started messing with stuff, me and Mia did. So Mia changed hers up a lot. Hers are really different. She used the 3-inch letters and painted them a different way. Oh, and Mary is painting her ribbon pink because the store did not have any pink ribbon and she really wanted it. So she got the white one and got the pink acrylic paint and just painted over it. You can't even tell that that's what she did. And you can see Mia putting decor on top of her lid. It's really different. I like the way it came out.
A lot of people, including me, threw it and it didn't make it in the crowd. So make sure you throw it high. I was on the floor crying.
Mia, stop. Don't start doing this. You're too old. My daughter cannot play with paint, makeup, or anything. She will get it everywhere and just start, yeah. There will be, I have pictures of her painting her face, and I'll post them right now. I wish I would have recorded her face when I said that. It was so priceless. We were laughing so hard. But anyways, I wanted to share what Mary had said before that the camera didn't catch. She said not to fill the spirit sticks all the way up to the top with candy because when you throw them, they won't make it to the crowd or they'll fall apart. The lid from the weight will pop the lid off and the candy just flies everywhere. And I mean, it just never makes it to the crowd. So it kind of defeats the purpose. But this is the end result. That's my baby girl sweeping up all our mess, and I really like the way all of them came out, and she was really happy with it as well. They all, I feel, have like a different unique style to themselves. Those two kind of look alike, but of course one is for cancer awareness, and she put a big old C for Cavazos with all types of letters, and she wanted to make that look like goosebumps. So these are it, and I hope it gives you some type of ideas, inspiration on your spirit sticks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it with my daughter. I wish I could have recorded more of our conversation, but they wanted to have the music on and just have fun and go with it, so I didn't want to take that away from them. And of course I know you can't have music on YouTube, so I muted it and did a voiceover. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed one.